Chemistry has a unique capacity among the sciences to generate sights, smells, sensations that take us out of the ordinary because of their tangible, sensuous allure, their diversity of shape and form, texture, hue, luster. They illustrate what material riches the chemical elements offer, with a capacity for surprise, for change, for wonder, and even for danger. For Isaac Newton in the 17th century, who had a strong interest in alchemy, the branching patterns of the crystallization of metals, such as silver, were a kind of vegetative growth akin to that of plants. The ancient Chinese philosopher Mo Tzu believed that all matter is composed of an indivisible minimal unit called the Duan, and that all motion and change in the world originate from it. And in a sense, they were not wrong, because we now know that universal laws of nature govern the motion of atoms and give rise to many branching structures, such as snowflakes. Lakes and rivers are a consequence of the nature of water itself. Its fluidity, its smooth, reflective surfaces, its readiness to rise into the atmosphere and to fall again in a cycle that repeats eternally. The green of trees and grasses is the green of magnesium, the metal atom that sits at the heart of the chlorophyll molecule. The blue of the sky is a signature of the oxygen and nitrogen molecules it consists of, which scatter white sunlight more strongly at the blue end of the spectrum, dispersing that light evenly across the entire sky. A common notion of natural beauty, that which we can find in landscapes and ecosystems, in things that are alive, is an extension of this delight in the materials and processes of the chemical world. This is precisely why science doesn't, as is sometimes said, de-enchant the world. On the contrary, it re-enchants. It requires a willingness to find strangeness and surprise in the mundane. All these studies, all these questions, begin in experience, in what we can see, hear, feel, smell, in our own concrete reality, and the way it invites our attention and appreciation. Chemistry creates its own object,